We live in a beautiful world. A world created by God, shaped by humans into spaces that enrich our lives. Spaces that shape us. They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We see beauty everywhere, and we want to keep it that way. But what does it take to keep our world beautiful? It's not only a fleet of over 150 vehicles, the thousands of tons of soil and mulch we move, or the million flowers and trees we plant each year. It takes an army of people ready to face any challenge. It takes early mornings, long days, late nights, precision, perseverance, passion. A passion that has always been the driving heart of this company. We love our clients. We love our people. We love our world. And we love what we do. CSL. Keeping your world beautiful.